Hi guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video, guys, we're gonna try foundation that you asked me to do, and here I am. I'm so sorry, bear with me please. Honestly, I'm not living this quarantine as well as I thought. Like, I'm feeling really not that good, so I'm not in this mood, you know, like positivity, but never give up. I have to. So yeah, you asked me to try this foundation. Wait a minute. Here it is. This is the True Portrait Liquid to Powder Foundation by Kat Von D. Yes, Kat Von D. And I got it I bought it a while now, and I didn't feel myself in the mood to make a video about it because I wasn't that good. I feel that good, so yeah, so for today I was like, let's do it, because you are so loyal to me and you really DM me every time. I love you so much. Thank you so much for that. You know that I'm not a big YouTuber at all. I'm not considering myself like that, so thank you for those. Even if you are 2 or 3, it's okay for me, who are loyal to me. I really appreciate it, guys. Like, you can imagine. You cannot imagine. So let's talk about the foundation. I'm in the shade Light 006. Yes, I picked this shade because I was afraid that it will be too light or too fair for my skin tone, but now I'm afraid that it will be too dark. So here is the packaging, really cute packaging, you know, like small, like really small. It's smaller than the Fenty one, you know. Let me open it. Here it is. Really sleek packaging. Oh my god, it's incredible. It's like, you know what? It's like coiffeuse. Oh my god, it's liquidy. You can see it, you know, inside. I don't know if you see. I have to shake it. It's really liquidy. I really have to shake it. Do you hear it? But it's so awesome. The packaging is beautiful. Look at all these details. I love the details, guys. Incredible. Let me dump my sponge because I didn't dump my sponge, sorry. And I'll be right back. So let me tell you some doing my primer. For today's, I will use the Versailles one because I really like it. So it comes in 40 shades, guys, and it costs, and it costs $57. $57. Just to let you know, guys. Yeah, it's expensive. It's really expensive. I love this primer. Like, more I use it and more I like it. It smells so good, by the way. I have so many breakout, guys. I'm on my hair now. So just fix my hair. Like this. So this is a medium. This is I'm gonna just read some claim on this foundation. It's a vegan beauty True Portrait medium coverage shake foundation. So you have really to shake it. So it's lightweight, it's medium coverage, it's liquid to powder foundation, it's long wearing foundation, airy matte finish, and won't clog pores. Really? Really? Okay, so let's see, guys. I'm really shaking it well because I think that you need to do that. So here it is, $57. Oh, please. Oh, God. This is cute. There is a big sound. I don't like it. The sound is... Oh my god. Anyway, I'm doing this for you. And if it doesn't work for me, it means that you have to save your money, right? Here it is. I don't know, I like, for $57, it's a plastic packaging, guys. It's small. And all this stuff is beautiful, like the design is beautiful. But believe me, for $57, just to buy a tube like that, nah. No, this is the first thing I don't like. Now let's see, okay? Oh, I think you have to press it here. Oh yeah, look at this, really liquidy. I will do step by step because I'm really afraid. Did they say how to apply it? Here it is. I want to just read if they said how to apply it. They said that it's ideal for normal to oily skin. It controls shine. It's for everyday look. And that's it. Okay. They don't say how to use it. Oh, here it is. They said that a little goes a long way, and to apply it with your favorite tool, it means that with a sponge or a brush it's the same. Let me just add a little bit because honestly I don't see any coverage here. Actually, okay, there is a big sound, to be honest, and yes, you don't need to set it. To be honest with you, it's really like a powder, but I think you will be disappointed because I want to show you. Here it is. With and without. Without. Do you see any difference? Maybe if I use a brush in this side, maybe it's better. Let me just try with a brush. I'm doing my best, guys. Here it is. I'm doing my best for you. Maybe with the brush there will be more coverage. Okay, so I feel that with the brush you have more coverage. I will show you. With the brush, with a sponge, with a brush, and with a sponge. You see? So let me finish with the brush because honestly with the sponge I feel that there is nothing, and yes, you really don't feel it. So guys, here it is. I wish you can see everything. Look at this. Did you see? It really make my skin so dry. I can understand that this is for oily skin because it doesn't work for me, like at all. It doesn't work at all. This is really no, I don't like it. Of course, it's powdery, like you don't feel it, it's not sticky at all. But honestly, I feel that Kat Von D comes out with this foundation only because it was like, you know, for semester, I don't know how to say it, like big season, everyone comes out with dewy foundation, or like lots of foundation comes out, and she said like, I feel that, you know, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, it's not judging here, please, but I feel that she just come with something new, like this foundation. The first foundation she was famous for is much better than this one, and this one doesn't work for me at all, like not at all, and I really hate it, like I hate it. Like I have a combi skin, my skin is not that dry, and don't feel that it's so dry, but it makes it so dry, like you can see all the texture, it doesn't cover anything. I need to use so much. They said that a little bit goes long wear, not at all, like I need to put like more than 3 pumps, more than 3, you know. No, honestly I don't like it. It's not for me, maybe it's for someone else, you know, sometimes something doesn't work for me but can work for someone else. I can go ahead with the rest of my makeup. I mean, I can't use anything else because I feel that I have to take it off. Yes. So this video was a big flop, but I do it for you because you asked me to do it, so here I am. So guys, keep your money. I feel that there are so much other foundations, I mean, to shop. They're really, really good, awesome. This one is a flop for me. So if you trust me, no, you really can keep your money. And believe me, it's $56. I'm not talking about taxes, you know, because of shipping. This is too much. Like, this is really too much. So guys, love you so much. Please, if you like those kinds of video, follow me. I don't know what else, like just, yeah, be with me, love you, and stay safe.